Today we're off to a UNESCO World Heritage Site called Halong Bay. It was only declared a UNESCO Heritage Site in 1994, which means that if I was a UNESCO Heritage Site when I was born, I would be older than it. We've got kayaking, we've got visiting a cave, we've got boat trip, we've got Vietnamese lunch on the water, we've got a hike up a mountain, and all of that was about £45 for the day. So we're getting picked up from Hanoi by bus, and I'm going to document it for you, and we're going to see if it's worthwhile.
I actually packed in a way more OCD way than I let on. Swimming stuff, jacket, snacks, water, hiking shoes, spare shirt. Got everything? This ain't our first rodeo. We got Vietnamese coffee and we got pastries filled with chocolate. We're ready for the bus ride. Let's go! So we're about 2 hours in. We've stopped at a pearl farm. I think this is a bit of like a traditional touristy stop on the way there for restrooms. It's kind of worth noting that you're losing a good half a day travelling to Halong Bay, so if that's not for you, it's probably worth looking at like a 2-day overnight cruise or something. We're just doing it all in one day, so we're not going to get back till like 9 o'clock, but we're quite happy with that. We haven't got time to enjoy a 2-day cruise. Ooh, do you want some pearls? Sure. Lots of pearls, lots of pearls. Pulling out the good ones like the squirrels swell out the nuts in Willy Wonka. Top tip if you're visiting Halong Bay, bring a reusable water bottle because you're not allowed plastic ones on the boat, which is putting a lot of people in a bad mood right now. We've made it to the ferry terminal. Now we're going to go find our boat. Like a little holiday resort, isn't it? Jump to get a last minute dress for dinner on the boat. Nice hat. Probably this is more likely. This is our boat. It's taken us 4 hours from leaving the hotel to get here. Family's on first. Ciao.
There can only be one captain on a boat. On this one, I'm it.
Very blue, isn't it? Thoughts on Halong Bay?
It's very pretty so far. We've just been sat eating, haven't we? Looked.
Tough choices. Walk up a hill where you won't see much, or swim in cold water. There's over 1,000 islands in Halong Bay, I think. I don't know who counted them. See a lot of them through there. I'm not sure, but I think this might be T-Top Island, so we might be hiking up there. That's the Russian astronaut that this island is named after. T-Top Island. Ho Chi Minh brought him here, and after he brought him here, he named the island after him. Do you think they still name the island after a Russian astronaut now?
Is it a Russian astronaut?
Yeah.
Oh,
400 steps to the top of T-Top, and then we can go for a swim afterwards. Ancho. This is the top of T-Top Island. It is panoramically stunning views, isn't it?
New
400 steps back down to go for a swim. We definitely did it the right way around,
oh 100%.
because I'm sweating now.
Нет, это Паша, он там идет в Панамку, в Гонораке своем. Там совсем внизу.
Traffic.
This is why we don't do it.
О, он боится.
Yeah.
Смысл?
Halfway. 20-minute walk to the toilets. Alright, next stop. It's definitely cold. See you at the next island, yeah?
See ya.
If you come here, you've got to go for a dip. It's so refreshing, especially after that trek. I'm not sure what the next stop is. Kayaking or caves? We'll see. That is the kayaking. It's kayaking time. You could do kayaking or a rowing boat, and the rowing boat's with like 12 other people and a local paddles you along. Whoever ordered the life vests had a very good sense of humour. This is the rowing boats you can get if you don't fancy doing it yourself. You go out in one of them for about 15 minutes, or if you kayak, you get about half an hour.
A few moments later.
We made it. We rescued another kayak. We're back. Thank you. Come on. We've got one more stop now. We're leaving the kayaking and the wet cave, and we're heading over to the dry cave. We got ourselves a little Halong beer as well for the journey. It does just look like desktop backgrounds, MacBook knock windows everywhere around here. You can see T-top up there that we climbed up. Lots and lots of boats now. I think lots of these are the ones that people stay on for a night and then go back. We're doing things on a budget here, come on. I ate £50 worth of food on the buffet just to make sure we were getting our money's worth. Looks like we're going up there. Looks like there's some people in a cave. This is Surprise Island. Not sure what the surprise is, unless it's that look out that we can see already. A couple of hundred steps, and the boat drops you off here and picks you up over there. So you've got to go through. 120. It's a busy cave. Very busy cave. Oh. Okay, that was pretty surprising.
That was, wasn't it?
Very surprising. Very unconvincing fake rock light. Not fooling anybody. Daylight, daylight.
You hop over, I go under.
I think I've got more chance of giving you a lift up. I don't think I'm going to get up there. These caves are huge.
I know. Every time I'm like, oh, this is the surprise, we go through like another little corridor and it comes out again. I can't believe how big it is.
That's what she said.
It's massive, isn't it?
Come again? That's what she said.
No, I feel like they undersell this part of the tour a bit. They have saved the best till last, I'll give them that. You think you've reached the end and then it just goes back further and further and further. That's the lucky turtle.
You didn't touch his head, get some luck.
No, I don't need any luck. This is so big. That laser point as well, annoying. We survived the cave. Now we go back to the boat and we head home. It's really sad how much rubbish there is around here for like a UNESCO heritage site. Twice. There's loads of rubbish, isn't there? Just everywhere, in the water, along the coasts, on the cliffs. And it can only be tourists' fault, really, because there's not a lot else around it. Back to the boat for a beer and a ride home. He doesn't help you. You're on your own. Post a bit more, and yeah, catch you next time. Hey there.